and which is the critical path actually we requires in the project. So like this core concept, it is in our operation research. Now, as per our the university syllabus is there, 70 mark paper is there, 30 mark ISC is there, and 25 marks our term work is there. So in this three chapters in our section number one, and these three chapters that is related to industrial engineering. So first chapters introduction of the industrial engineering, second chapter is method study, and third chapter is work measurement and job evaluations. Introduction of industrial engineering, what is the definition and meaning of the industrial engineering? So this main purpose of industrial engineering to study the present methods, find out the activity which is not useful in the manufacturing or sometimes unwasted. The time is there that we have to think to improve the present method of manufacturing, and to make this industrial engineering subject a certain contribution made by F.W. Taylors and Gilbert, these two scientists. F.W. Taylors, that is related to our method study, and the optimum solutions required in the methods. But this Gilbert's, that is related to the time studies and critical activity in the industry. So this is the contributions. After that, we have gone to the productivity. What is the productivity? This is the ultimate aim of the industrial engineering, to achieve the productivity. Factors affecting productivity and ways to improve the productivity. So this is the actually syllabus in our unit number one. Unit number two, that is the method study. So what is the definition of method study, objective, scope of method study, basic procedures, and a different chart it has been used to study about the present process of the manufacturing in the shop floors. After that, in industry, there is a workflow. Raw material, it has to flow on the shop floors by making the number of process. So in this case, we can decide the shortest route to flow that materials, or we have to reduce the transportation cost also. Then string diagram is one more things to decide the movement of the workers and how we can reduce. So this thing, it will contains in the method study. After that, micro machine studies. So any workplace or workstation is there. So here, with help of camera, we can study about the small activity in the process of the assembly, and each is the not important activity or some idle activities are there that we have to reduce. And while making the study of that manufacturing process and the shop floor activity, certain questionnaire actually we required, and we can write that questionnaire and give the answer of the same, and after that we can think about the improvement in the process. So this is about the method study. Then work measurement and job evaluation is there. Work measurements means whatever the job it is going in the particular departments or on the machines, we have to decide the how much the standard times it is required to complete their jobs by considering different types of allowances, and the ideal persons actually we have to consider while making the standard times required for manufacturing of the jobs. Then next part is their job evaluations and merit rating. Job evaluations means we can decide the worth of jobs. For example, pattern is the one of the jobs. So in industry, different types of pattern is there, and there is a different worth. So in order to decide the cost for manufacturing of any jobs, we have to decide the worth. And this worth actually we require certain criteria that is called the job evaluation. It contains job analysis, job description, job specifications, and after that we can decide the worth of jobs. And once this worth of job it decides, then we have to go for method of merit rating. Means we have to check the performance of the workers, because ultimately complete jobs and the process the jobs we required the manpowers know how to decide the wages or salary systems for particular man. For this purpose we require the merit rating. So this unit number 3, this part is there. Now second section is there. So this is the linear programmings, assignment and transportation model, CPN and pulse. So first unit 4, this is related to linear programming. Means here we have to think how you will get the more profit. In order to get more profit, what things actually be required. So this will comes under the decision making criteria. There is a mathematical support to give the particular decision. For examples, we are manufacturing two components on two different machines. So what should, in which way these one machines will give how much quantity, second machine will give how much quantity in order to get more profit. So this decision we will have to take with the mathematical concept of this linear programming. Here, formulation of the programs, then graphical method is there, simplex method is there, and three methods are there. So that we're going to study. This is the numericals related part is there. Then assignment and transportation. So here, assignment and transportation. Assignment means we have to assign the work to the machines or man on basis of what is the best or optimum solutions that we have to decide by using assignment. And transportation problem, to reduce the transportation cost, which is the shortest route that the man or material need to follow, so that transportation cost will get reduced. So two three methods are there. These parts will going to study under this. Then CPM parts, these two methods that is related to project evaluation of the project, the time requires to complete the.
Sir,
Yes, yes, yes,
sir,
yes.
your voice is very low, sir.
Voice is hello.
Very low, sir. You
Okay.
are sounding low, sir.
Hello. Now it is audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 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 okay.
And sir, students are waiting, sir.
Huh? Hello.
Students are waiting. Please allow them, sir.
Students are waiting. Shall I allow them? Okay, okay. I will allow.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay, okay. Thank you. Okay. Shall I start now? Shall I start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, just we have gone through the revisions of the previous lectures, and whatever syllabus that is given to us. In that syllabus, chapter number 6, that is related to project CPM PERDS, means how much time is required to complete the project and which is the best way to complete the project. This idea it is given in this unit number 6. So this total, if you go through this total content in this subject, all thing it is related to our industry. At the same times, all this syllabus it is related to our gate as well as the competitive exams. Okay, so we'll go to the term work. So 6 assignment is there. 3 assignment based upon first section, 3 assignment based upon second section. Then books are given, reference books and textbooks. Then as usual, as per triple P, what is the title of the subject, why the name is given like this. Industrial engineering, what is the industry? The raw material is converted into the finished product by using the process. And planning of the same, this part will comes under the industrial engineering. Operation research means we have to think what is the problem in the process of manufacturing, so that you will get the maximum profit. mathematical support we require to search these things. Then central ideas, as usually we have gone through the 6 point of the syllabus, introduction of industrial engineering, then work study part. Under this work study, method study is theirs, and work measurement is there, job evaluation. And second section, operation research part is theirs. We decide the profit or the things which actually required in the manufacturing to get maximum profit. Importance, if this knowledge is not with us, what will happen? Because in industry actually we are doing all this work for money, means ultimately we require the more productivity. After selling the product will get revenue. That is importance. If the present method of manufacturing it is in profit or loss, this actually need to check, and this actually we can cover by using the concept of industrial engineering and the operations research. Objective, same objectives are there. Efficient and effective use of the all resources. What type of research we are using? Man, machine and materials. Effective utilization of these resources in order to increase the production, productivity, reduce the cost and improve the quality. So this much words is more than sufficient for this subject. Now here's yeah, this unit number one introduction part is given. Title of the chapters, central idea, importance of the industrial engineering. Everything's it is given. Only here you have to remember uh, we have to make use of the industrial engineering, the calculation of the standard times, then effective and efficient manners use of all resources, materials, man and machines, and reduce the cost, increase the production and productivity. So all these 3 points will covers under this. Now, the objective is given design, development, implementations, and improvement of the present methods by using the different types of equipments and all these resources. Multiple choice question and assignment questions. Two assignment question it is given, and five multiple choice of questions is there. Hello.
Sir,
Hello. Hello.
sir, you are again sounding low,
Huh?
sir. Sir, please increase your voice.
Voice.
Ah,
Yes. Now it is audible. Hello.
yes, sir. Yes, sir, audible, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. So multiple choice questions and assignment questions it is given on the screen. So assignment questions you have to solve whenever you will get the writing materials. Now this is the first point of the our unit number one. What is the definition of industrial engineering? It is concerns with optimization of the complex process. Complex process means some critical process are like this forging is there, forming is there, casting is there. We have to study about this and improvement in the present methods by using the different types of resources, knowledge, materials, machine, etc. This is actually the definition of the industrial engineering. Meanings, so whatever the dark points I have given, we have to include the meaning of the industrial engineering. Here we require the knowledge, skills, basic principle of manufacturing, engineering analysis, layout, material, machine, and quality and productivity. So this point already we have covered. Even though revision is there, optimum utilization of the all resources, which actually required this part, it comes under the meaning of the industrial engineering. Now, two scientists uh, they have made a great efforts in the development of industrial engineering. FW tells us this is related to method study, and this Gilbert this is related to the time study or micro motion studies. So we have to reduce certain movement of the man's by using the camera, we have to study which is the unexpected activity that we have to reduce, and ultimately we have to reduce the time required for the manufacturing. This Gilbert, this is related to times, and the FW Taylor, this is related to method study. Then objective, it is given, ultimately same objective is there, efficient and effective use of all resources. Now here productivity. So productivity and production means the quantity to be manufactured within the 8 hours or maybe particular durations, and productivity, that is the output upon input. So in which the factors this productivity depends. Yesterday we have covered, we require technical factors, production factor, organization factor, personal factor, financial factor, management factors, government policy, and locations. So if you think about the location, urbans and the rurals. If you think about the government, different types of taxes, rules and regulations. Management decisions, this will affect on the productivity. Financials, the financial, if you are borrowed the money from the bank or if we are using the money from others, in which way we are going to finance for working of the industry on this, we can decide the productivity. The personal factors means job certification, this is very important. If job certification is there, the worker will satisfy, their efficiency will get increased, and ultimately effect on the product. The organizational factors, the what is the building construction, what the things actually exist, so that workers will not face the problems, and the transportations and all other things which is actually required in regular organization. If it is there, the productivity will get increased. Production planning and control, if it is there, definitely productivity is there. If production planning control is not there, there is effect on productivity. Technical things means technical people should be there, technical so designs related, the software etc should be there, and fast manufacturing machine should be there like CNC, VMC. So all these factors which affect on the productivity. Now, how to increase the productivity here? 17 points I have given. If you want to increase the productivity, you can think about the capital investment related to production and technology. Uh, Suppose production is there, we can reduce uh, the cost related to transportations, and material handling equipment is there, and then efficient use of the all resources. By thinking like this way, we can improve the productivity. Technology, old machine is replaced by recent machines in order to get more production and good accuracy. Then capital investment equipment, measuring equipments may be there, devices may be there, jigs fixtures are there. We can increase the productivity. Capital investment in facility, all type of facility should be there. The then and then it is possible to increase the productivity. Economics of scales, financial support must be there. If it is not there, there is a problem to increase the productivity. The workforce knowledge scale, this also effect on the productivity. There should be good technical knowledge, training should be there, then productivity increase. Technological changes, as per the requirement, need to change the old machines by new machines, and this will affect on the productive work method. Present methods, study about the present methods, and we can go for improvement of this method, so that cost of manufacturing will reduce without affecting the quality. Then process of the manufacturing, uh, in which way the raw material will get processed from raw material to finished product, which are the stages. Is it possible to reduce the stages so that cost of manufacturing will get reduced? So by using this system of the manufacturing, batch production, mass productions, continuous production, depends upon this, we can adjust the flow of the materials and the working principle in an industry, and this will affect on the product quality of the product. If it is goods, most more revenue will be there, so productivity will be more. Quality of process, again, whatever the process it is ongoing, that quality should be there, no rejection, then productivity. Quality of management, actually decision making, this part it comes under the management. Management can take the right decision at the right place without affecting the quality, and provide some motivational things, and incentives so that productivity of the workers will get increased. Some rule regulations from the government side also, it will affect the government subsidy, government taxes, government's helps to small scale industry to export and import the policy. Because of that, the productivity get increased. General levels of education, if higher education, good technical knowledge, definitely right solution will be there for right type of process, then productivity increase. Social environmental factor is the there should not effect on the working conditions due to the environments. If it will affect, the product will decrease. Geographical factor also you have to consider, and uh, after that, whatever the existing the geographical things are there, is it possible to change, or you can make it smooth so that the productivity will get increased. So these 17 factors you have to remember for improvement of the product. So this is about the chapter number one. Now let us we go to the next chapters. Hello, slide is
Yes,
visible or
sir.
not? Not visible.
No, sir.
Some problem is there. We correct.
Hello.
Hello, hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Slide is visible.
No, sir.
Okay, okay. I will make it correct. Wait. B B.
Now it is visible, sir.
Hmm. Okay. Now it is visible, no? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So our first chapter is already over. Very simple concept of the first chapter is there. Only few words you have to remember. Optimum utilization of the all resources, man, material, and machines. Reduce the cost, improve the quality, increase the production and productivity. If you remember these words, then it is more than sufficient for these chapters. Once again, I will repeat. Only few words you have to remember related to these chapters. Optimum utilization of the all resources, that is the man, material, and machines. Improve the quality, reduce the cost, increase the production, increase the productivity. So these things it is related to chapter number 1. Now we'll go to the next chapters, that is the method study. So method study is the process of subjecting work to systematic and critical scrutiny to make it more efficient and more effective. It is the one of the key to achieve the productivity improvement. So what is actually method study? Method study means whatever the process it is going in industry, maybe foraging process, casting process, rolling process, extrusion process. So many processes are there. So here we have to study about this process, and in this process we have to think about the problem.
अभिनव,
हा, बोल ना.
काय करायचं? लिव्ह करायचं कसं?
सरांना फोन केलाय, सर यायला लागलेत.
ठीक आहे.
हम्म.
आवाज येतोय का बघू का?
हे हॅलो सचिन.
हॅलो
येस
हॅलो.
सर. येस सर.
Now my PPT is visible.
नो सर.
Okay, I will try here. Net problem is with us. Net problems. Now it is visible. Hello.
सर
Yes,
इट इज
sir.
नॉट.
Now it is visible.
नो सर.
PPT.
नो सर, पीपीटी नॉट विजिबल.
No. Just see.
हॅलो अभिनव.
हे बोल की.
अभि सरचा मेसेज बघितला का ग्रुपमध्ये?
बघितलं सर लेफ्ट व्हा म्हणले तर.
हा मग लिव्ह व्हायचं कसं तेच विचारून फोन केले.
हो कसं पण आता 3 मिनिटात ह्यांनी काय शिकवणार नाही.
बघा कसं करायचं.
बघू बाकीचे कोण काय बोलतंय का बघू थांब.
अभिनव बोल की काहीतरी.
विश्वजित शिंदे.
वास वास. हॅलो.
हा विदा ते जाऊ की बाहेर. काय आता 2 मिनिट काय शिकवणार नाही ह्यांनी.
हा
जायचं ना.
हा
बर हो. झालेच लेफ्ट झालेत हळूहळू. हो सगळे लेफ्ट.
हा सरांचा मेसेज आला होता ग्रुपवर.
चालते आम्हाला पण आलाय मेसेज.
चालूयात ना. सचिन. केंगार.
हॅलो.
अहो झोपेतून उठा. लेक्चर संपलंय. कट करा.
अहो ना बोला की. अहो घरी होतो साईडला आलो जरा आवाज येतो बोला.
अहो तुम्हाला बोलावं म्हणलं पण तुमची काय ऑनलाईनच दिसेना. म्हणून व्हॉट्सअपला मेसेज केलता की.
आ
लेक्चर संपलं म्हणून सांगायला मेसेज केलता हो.
होय.
काय तुम्हाला झोपेतून काय सुचतंय होय.
अहो ना आधी हेडफोनचा आवाज जात नाही. हेडफोन आवाज
हेडफोनवर टाका सगळे.
नाही गिरण चालू आहे. गिरणीचा आवाज येतो साईडला आलतो.
तर ते ॲप्टीचं कसं आहे.
तळेकर हाय तळेकर म्हणून सर.
ते कसं आहे केलं करावं लागतंय कसं.
करा की पहिला दिवस आहे काय दिवस फोन येईल घरी.
अरे उद्या आल्यावर बोलतो मी, पण मी काय म्हणतोय आपण आन्सर द्यायच्यात का कसे कसं सांगतोय सरच सांगतोय का.
ऐकत बसायचं गपचूप हो.
ऐकायला नाही लावून चार्जिंग लावायचं मोबाईल.
मग लावून चार्जिंग लावायचं काय अडचण.
हा चालतंय तसंच करतो.
हम्म.
मेसेज करा काय झालं नवीन तर.
काय बर बर.
चालतंय ठेवू का.
होय. विश्व्या. विश्व्या. विश्व्या.